Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about XRP price prediction and XRP news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for XRP in 2022. Now in a nutshell I will talk about XRP. The first step is to distinguish between XRP, Ripple, and RippleNet. XRP is a digital currency powered by the RippleNet digital payment platform, which in turn is built on top of the XRP Ledger distributed ledger database. RippleNet is a private project and is managed by Ripple. The XRP ledger is open source and is based not on the blockchain, but on the previously mentioned distributed ledger database. The idea of the Ripple payment platform was first voiced in 2004 by Ryan Fugger, but the full development of Ripple did not begin until after Jed McCaleb and Chris Larson led the project in 2012. At that time it was still called OpenCoin. The RippleNet ledger is maintained by the global XRP community, of which Ripple is an active member. The XRP ledger processes transactions approximately every 3 to 5 seconds, or whenever independent validating nodes reach a consensus on the order and validity of XRP transactions. This is different from the proof-of-work mining process of Bitcoin, BTC. Absolutely each of you can become a Ripple validator. The XRP coin can be stored in several standard ways. The first way is when stored on the exchange, and the second way is to store XRP in a crypto wallet. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about XRP. Crypto investors undeterred by geopolitical tensions as inflows touch $127 million. The crypto market had been affected by the geopolitical issues that have arisen lately. With the Ukraine-Russia conflict still raging on, various financial markets are still feeling the heat. Sell-offs have been apparent which have led to asset values dropping. However, not all investors are deterred by the current climate. Inflow volumes showed that investors still believe in the crypto market. Bitcoin and altcoins alike all recorded a successful week of inflows. This follows months of largely negative sentiment, leaving investors way of the market. Nevertheless, it hasn't stopped investments in the space as institutional investors continue to show that they still have faith in cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin takes the lead as always. Bitcoin is the cryptocurrency with the largest inflow for the week. The pioneer cryptocurrency remains at the forefront of all investment in the market, proving to be one of the most lucrative digital asset investments over the last couple of years. The asset has continued to record inflows over the past month and a half, and this week has been no different. Bitcoin saw its 7th consecutive week of inflows last week. With a total of $95 million flowing in the digital asset for the one-week period, it marked the largest single weekly inflow for BTC since early December. This comes despite the downtrends that have rocked the asset over the last couple of weeks, consistently breaking and losing footing above $40K. It is a testament to the faith that investors continue to have in Bitcoin. Despite the early December crash, investors have repeatedly shown that their money is still on Bitcoin, and with last week's inflows, there is no doubt about this. Altcoins get love too. There was a total of $127 million in inflows recorded for last week. As previously mentioned, Bitcoin brought in the majority of this volume with $95 million of inflows in a single week. However, altcoins were not left out of the action. In the same one-week period, Ethereum had also seen its largest one-week inflows in the last 3 months. The second largest cryptocurrency by market cap has had a shaky 3 months since December, but things seem to be turning for the better with last week's numbers. Ethereum saw $25 million of inflows last week, the largest of any altcoin. Multi-asset investment products still remain an investor favorite. The previous week saw $8.6 million of inflows move into multi-asset investment products, bringing the total inflows over a one-year period to $104 million. It is also the category with the most inflows on a year-to-date basis, representing 3.6% of assets under management. Solana, Polkadot, and Binance all saw $1.7 million, $0.9 million, and $0.4 million in inflows respectively. With Litecoin, Cardano, and Xrp recording $0.4 million, $0.9 million, and $0.4 million respectively. Blockchain equities inflows were up to $7.7 million in the same time period. If that happens, the pair could retest the February 24 intraday low at 62 cents. The flattish moving averages and the RSI just above the midpoint do not give a clear advantage either to the bulls or the bears. ADA/STT. The bulls have sustained Cardano, ADA, above 82 cents in the past few days, but are struggling to push the price to the breakdown level at $1. This indicates that demand dries up at higher levels. The longer the price sustains below the moving averages, the greater the possibility of a retest of the recent intraday low at 74 cents. If the support cracks, the downtrend could resume, and the ADA/STT pair could plunge to 68 cents. Contrary to this assumption, if the price rises and breaks above $1, it will suggest that the markets have rejected the lower levels. The pair could then rise to the resistance line of the descending channel. The bulls will have to push and sustain the price above the channel to indicate that the downtrend may have ended. Ripple is still going through difficult times. Until the litigation with the SEC is completed, the coin rate will jump. Let's take a look at what leading cryptocurrency experts have to say about Ripple's value in 2022 and 2023. Today we will analyze forecasts from leading cryptocurrency experts such as Trading Beasts, Wallet Investor, Crypto Ground, Changelly. Long forecast. The forecasts from Trading Beasts analysts are as follows regarding the XRP rate for 2022 are positive. Starting the year at $1.58, the average predicted coin price will rise to $1.62 by December. A sharp increase is not expected, but a steady uptrend is always a positive factor for investors. The next forecast from Wallet Investor regarding the price of Ripple is also encouraging. Experts predict that the price of the coin will be above $1.70 for most of the year. By the end of the year, the XRP rate will cross the $2 mark. The maximum price will not exceed $2.50. At the same time, Crypto Ground analysts expect Ripple to rise. Experts predict a bullish trend for 2022. However, there will also be a significant decline. By June, the price will be around $1.28. By the end of 2022, Ripple will reach $1.85. According to the Changelly platform, the Ripple price has strengthened thanks to the support of several large investors, and a number of partnership agreements and various events with crypto companies indicate that many believe in XRP. Recent XRP price predictions and price dynamics could improve significantly towards the end of the year, unlike other major coins such as BTC and ETH. Ripple may even break its previous record of $3.84. Well, the last forecast from Long Forecast, they provided the so-called bullish forecast for Ripple for 2022. Price volatility will be high. The price of the coin will change in the range of $1.53–1.87. Moving on, you can see that although the price of XRP will not reach new highs, the cryptocurrency will not disappear. What awaits Ripple in 2023? In 2023, Trading Beasts analysts expect the price of XRP to decline. Over the course of the year, the average XRP United States dollar exchange rate will drop from $1.62 to $1.58. The maximum price will be slightly above the $2 mark until October. The minimum exchange rate will not fall below $1.34. Wallet Investor is pretty positive about the future of XRP. The average price will be above $2 throughout the year. XRP United States dollar will start the year at $2.23. By the last day of 2023, the price will reach $2.8. The XRP forecast from Crypto Ground is still optimistic. Despite a slight decline at the beginning of the year, the cryptocurrency is expected to reach $2.37 by 2024. The penultimate forecast from the Coin Price Forecast platform expects Ripple to start 2023 at $2.30, then soar to $2.82 during the first 6 months, and end 2023 at $3.33. Last but not least, economy forecast agency experts are bearish on Ripple in 2023. In January, the price of the coin will be set at $1.75. The general downward trend will lead to the fact that by the end of the year, the coin rate will reach $1.23.